close Bitcoin is, and possibly some of the other cryptocurrencies are, to having their golden cross. So I shall just screen share my tab, which is CoinGecko over here. So hopefully, yeah, you can see me there. I am down in the bottom right-hand side. I'm just going to make this a little bit of a bigger screen, which should mean I'm smaller and smaller. If I go more like that, that looks good. Okay, so let's go into the Bitcoin chart here, and hopefully we will be able to scroll down here. And what we want to do is so I check out CoinGecko for my checking out prices. That's where I put in all my details here, and it does have a trading view page here. So we click on trading view. What we want is we want two things here. Is it indicators or is it? Let's go for indicators. It is the 50. Is it the 50-day? 50-day moving average. 50. Obviously not that. It's not that. Do I need to go to the actual? Maybe I need to go to actual moving average. MA. Moving average. That's what we want. Moving average. Moving average. Let's give me a night. I don't want a 9-day one. Let's have a couple of moving averages. Okay, so this is how we're going to get it. Let's go to day. And can we adjust this? Settings, length, change that to 50-day moving average. And the next one will change here, settings to the 200, oh, not 2,300, 200-day moving average. And then let's zoom out. So what we had is we had the death cross over here on the 17th of June. That's when the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average crossed paths, and it had a thing called the death cross, where it went effectively is a delayed reaction, but it's kind of, it has a scary idea that means the price is going to drop even more. Fortunately, it did. It did drop a little bit more, but not as dramatic as what everyone was thinking about. A lot of people were thinking it was going to drop by another 50% or something. So Bitcoin at that time was around about, I've got this in dollars, no, I've got this in pounds. So again, I'm doing it in pounds here. This will sound different to people that talk about it in dollars. It was around about $28,000. And then very quickly, it came down to $23,000. So we're talking about £23,000, I should say. We're talking about, it dropped about £5,000 in that period. And can we do, will it give me an indicator line? It's not yet. So from there to there, it's not giving me a percentage. I want a percentage line here. This might give us trend arrow, rate arrow, info line. Is it that one? There to there. Minus 6,000 points. 20%. So it was a 20% drop is what we were saying during that time. And that was quite harsh. And it stayed down for that. But then over the last very recent period of time, we have now been having a massive bull run. Let's get another line going on here. So the absolute lowest, £21,000, 21,800. If we zoom, let's zoom in a little bit more. So 21,800, and it just pumped in. Let's just see. I like the candles more. And it went up 40%, 39%, 39.25, 40% in 12 days. That's pretty good. So that really pushes the moving average back up quite a bit. And as you can see, we're starting the 50-day moving average, which is this blue one here, is starting to creep back up. And the question is, how long until this starts to cross back over? We could always throw in Yeah, so it's the death cross and the golden cross is what we have, is whenever it crosses back over, and it will be very much moontime then. Everyone will be like, hey, I need to go buy some more stuff. Are you earn Bitcoin from internet? No, I don't earn Bitcoin from internet. I just put my money into Bitcoin and watch that going up. So I just enjoy the fun of trading on this. And yeah, so that was a good period of time. Today we're having a good little. So what is the distance? Can we see? Can we just stop showing me? Stop showing me. Go away, bar. Go. Yes, bar. I want that one gone. Info bars. Go away. Go away. Damn it. They're in the way. Here. No. No. Go away, bars. How do I get rid of them? No. 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 Delete. That'll do. So takes a while to get it all working. I still like the info bar here. Is there a way to just do it where we don't have the info bar? Okay, maybe that's fine. So in the last couple of days, it's gone up by another 20%. So we're enjoying that over the last couple of days. And the question is, will it go higher? Let's just go see our moving average. What's the distance from our moving averages here? Let's just delete these, delete that one. So the distance between current moving average, give me the thing here, current moving average and the 200-day moving average. So the 50 and the 200, let's look at the difference. The difference is 26% difference. We could, and does it tell us £6,000? 6,000, yeah, £6,000 is the difference in how much it's going to have to increase to have the cross there. However, obviously the 200-day will be starting to move up as well very soon as well. So yeah, I reckon if we were to let's draw some lines here. Can I just paint a line? I reckon it could go like that. Meanwhile, the 200-day moving average could go like that. That might work. That could very much work. Let's just see. Oh, have we lost it? Oh, what? You tell me I've just lost it there. Where is it? What's happened? Oh, it's gone into the hours. No, back into the day. Everything's just disappeared. Thanks for that. So, right, I'm going to have to do that again. I'm literally going to have to do that again. Right, so bring in indicators, MA, add in 2 moving averages, close that down. First one, edit, settings, change it to 50. Okay, second one, edit, settings, change it to 200. Okay, then do my little line drawings here. First one, from here, I can imagine it doing that. And the other one, let's give it this color, 200-day, go ahead across like that. And if we zoom out, that could, so we're talking about maybe the 27th of October. So this being the 9th of August. So give it a month and a half. Let's see if we can make a prediction here. Can in a month and a half, the 27th of October, can we get a golden cross where the 200-day crosses, or the 50-day crosses the 200-day moving average, and it will be at the, what price will that be at? That will be, in fact, I think it's going to go up faster than that. I think it'll probably be faster than that, at £34,000. Currently, just now, we're at £33,000. So it will be way through the roof. I reckon the actual price, the value of the Bitcoin will be more like up here when that happens. So you can see quite a lot of time the Bitcoin can be far away from the actual trend lines going on, depending on how fast it moves. But that could be a pretty fast way of going. Yeah. So let's see if maybe the 20th of October, we could definitely be seeing the golden cross happening. And I think when that happens, potentially seeing even more money flooding into the market. And I reckon when the golden cross happens, we could already be at £40,000, which again, currently we're just at £33,000. So give us a month and a half to get up to £40,000 per Bitcoin. I can definitely see that happening. Now, that is my prediction. October the 20th, 26th, we'll have the golden cross. It'll be crossing at roughly £34,000, but the value of Bitcoin will probably be somewhere around about £40,000. That's what I'm putting my money on just there. Let's see where Ethereum is going to be on this scale as well. So let's head over to portfolio, go to Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely having a good time just now as well. Let's click on Trading View. Hopefully you can see what I'm actually doing here. Whew. Get it changing to the day pattern. Let's zoom this in. And then let's go for the indicators. Type in MA for moving average. There is also the exponential moving average, EMA, double EMA, triple EMA, moving exponential. Throw that one in just for good fun as well. So the first one, again, change settings, go to 50-day moving average, and then the second moving average, we'll bring that to 200-day. And the exponential moving average, let's make that a 20-day. So that'll be very much closer to what we actually have. Let's go 20-day exponential. Moving average exponential, they call it. Actually, let's just not confuse ourselves with that. Okay, so hold on. Did Ethereum not have a death cross? Or did Ethereum just have a death cross just recently when it was at £1,500? So you can see how far off the trend lines Ethereum goes. It is miles off. It's 200-day and its 50-day trading moving averages are nowhere near each other because it's so much more volatile, or at least it certainly has been more volatile than Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin has had fluctuations of 50%, that it's been a painful time. But that's been quite interesting. I thought it would have had a death cross at the same time as Bitcoin, but clearly not. Let's go to let's get some information about how much it dropped. So the info line. So at its peak, look at this one. £3,000. I missed the trade on that. I was going to try and trade at £3,000. If Bitcoin got to £3,000, I was going to try and sell one or two of them. Ethereum got to £3,000. I was going to try and sell one and two of them in the thought that it might drop down to 2,000, but it didn't. It dropped. I think it was the 19th of May was the horrendous day, but it got even worse after that. It went down 60%, 59.6% in 11 days. That's a shocker of a drop. So imagine you put your money in, and in 11 days, you've lost 60% of all the value that you put in. That's how volatile Ethereum is. So that wasn't a good time for a lot of people, but it's been on an absolute tear recently. So we've got a new one where it started off. Let's go for another one. Started off down here. It went down to 1,257, and it's now over the last 20 days, it's just been going straight up to the moon. So part of that was it had the London fork, or the London protocol, where they did a Ethereum improvement program where they or proposal where they are now burning some Ethereum with every transaction. The transaction fees haven't actually dropped, but Ethereum, some of the Ethereum that would normally be paid to the miners is now just being burnt. So there's not technically deflationary yet because there's still more Ethereum being mined, but it's reduced the amount that's being pumped out all the time there. So that was, what was that? That went up 80%. So that's where you got that. If you managed to buy in at the bottom just 20 days ago, within 1 month, you could have increased. If you put £10,000 into Ethereum just earlier this month, just 20 days ago, you could now have £18,000. It could have got, is that right? Yeah, £10,000 going up to £18,000 in under a week. If you had 10 grand to make 8 grand in less than a month, what a way of making cash that is. Will it keep on going? Lots of people think no chance. No, it can't keep going. But it can. That is the absolutely crazy thing. So for it to get up to its previous all-time high, it needs to go up to 140%. You could over double, almost 1.5 times how much money you put in, or 2.5 times, however you want to say it, in just over a month. If this carries on in that trajectory, that is what is absolutely insane. Yeah. So if I were to draw my paths that I think it would be in, let's see if we could just delete that one. We'll delete this one. So let's do my little drawing. So where we've got the 50-day moving average. This one is obviously, this one follows Ethereum much more closely. I reckon it will be doing that. And then let's go for green. The 200-day moving average will slowly be doing that. It's got to go up. It's got to go absolutely to the moon. So there is some thoughts that Ethereum could definitely be getting up to like $10,000. And just going by this, I can't get the scale to go high enough. Up and up and up. Possibly up to there. Is there a way for me to get this? I can't get the scale any higher. Unless we go into log. Should we go to log? No. But yeah, that's where I see it going. Very, very soon, very quickly. So what are we talking about here? We are saying, let's just delete these. So it just now is the 9th of October. By the 9th, no, just now is the 9th of August, September, October, give it a month and a half, over £4,000. I can easily see Ethereum over £4,000. If we were to draw where their path might actually go, if we zoom in, if we have it going up and down and up and down and up and down and up, somewhere up there. Yeah, easily, and it's all gone. Easily up to £4,000 very soon. So I'm happy putting more money into Ethereum while it is around £2,000 at the moment. I don't have any issues with that, but that seems to be the trajectory that it is going. So yeah, there you go. That's my shoot for today. That's my thing for today. See how accurate that is in the future, and we'll see what's going on. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.